And it smells all over the house, and I have to go.
Yeah.
Since he opened here, and he couldn't see it.
Oh no. Oh no.
But anyway, I'll get it later. I dropped it.
Both of them.
I am so bad.
Here we go. Yep. Those are the holes that I circled, and those are the holes that are underneath.
Oh my
So those
God.
are the
I
four
thought it was
holes.
facing here.
But they don't have the little holes in the middle. They didn't mark them on here, so they might have put those in extra just to hold everything in place so it doesn't fall down. So the middle ones have to come out too.
Okay, I see that. Okay.
So this is the flap, that rectangle piece over the top of this semicircle. You're going to remove that rectangle piece, and that'll allow the air to go upwards instead of being directed towards the front vent here. So that little metal piece is just, you're probably going to bend it and you break it off.
Okay.
And then you'll be good to go.
Okay, I got that. You come back. I don't think I can go in the inspector to do that.